Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to use Google Meet on your iPhone. First of all, head over to the App Store and download the Google Meet app if you haven't already. Once it's installed, open the app and sign in with your Google account. Now, if you want to join a meeting, simply tap on the keyboard icon next to your profile picture at the top right corner. After that, enter the meeting code and then hit on join. Now, if you'd like to start your own meeting, just tap on the new meeting icon and here you will see different options. You can either create a new meeting instantly, schedule a meeting for later, or even start a group call to quickly connect with friends or colleagues. Once you're inside a meeting, you can mute or unmute your mic, turn your camera on or off, and even share your screen by tapping the three dots and selecting share screen. And that's all. You're all set to use Google Meet on your iPhone. If this video was helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more easy tutorials.